Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of lifelong learning, a journey that never truly ends. In our fast changing world, the ability to keep learning is more important than ever. Lifelong learning isn't just about formal education, it's about curiosity, adaptability, and the drive to grow at every stage of life. Whether you're picking up a new skill for work, exploring a hobby, or simply staying informed, the habit of continuous learning can transform your life. Let's explore practical ways to make learning a natural, enjoyable part of your everyday routine. Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and your skills relevant. It helps you adapt to changes in technology, the workplace, and society. By embracing continuous learning, you open doors to new opportunities and experiences. It's not just about career advancement, lifelong learning also enriches your personal life, boosts confidence, and fosters creativity. The world is always evolving, and those who keep learning are better equipped to thrive. So let's see how you can make lifelong learning a core part of your life. First step to lifelong learning is adopting a growth mindset. This means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and practice. Instead of seeing challenges as obstacles, view them as opportunities to learn. When you make mistakes, treat them as valuable lessons. A growth mindset encourages curiosity and resilience, making it easier to embrace new experiences and knowledge. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Make the most of lifelong learning, set clear and achievable goals. Ask yourself what you want to learn and why. Maybe you want to master a new language, improve your digital skills, or explore a creative hobby. Setting specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Break big goals into smaller steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Clear goals give your learning journey direction and purpose. Consistency is key to lifelong learning. Try to make learning a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Schedule regular time for reading, practicing, or exploring new topics. Over time, these small efforts add up and become part of your routine. Habits are powerful, they help you keep moving forward even when motivation dips. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to keep learning. Don't limit yourself to just one way of learning. Books, podcasts, online courses, videos, and workshops all offer unique perspectives and experiences. Mixing different resources keeps learning fresh and engaging. For example, you might read a book on a topic, watch a documentary, and then join an online discussion group. This variety helps reinforce what you learn and exposes you to new ideas. Technology has made lifelong learning more accessible than ever. With smartphones, tablets, and computers, you can learn anytime, anywhere. There are countless apps and platforms designed to help you learn new skills, from language learning to coding and beyond. Take advantage of these tools to fit learning into your busy schedule. Technology can personalize your learning experience and connect you with experts and communities worldwide. Learning is often more enjoyable and effective when you share it with others. Join study groups, online forums, or local clubs related to your interests. These communities offer support, motivation, and opportunities to exchange ideas. You can ask questions, share resources, and even teach others what you've learned. Being part of a learning community keeps you accountable and inspired. Curiosity is the engine of lifelong learning. Ask questions, explore new topics, and don't be afraid to venture outside your comfort zone. When something sparks your interest, follow that thread and see where it leads. Curiosity keeps your mind open and engaged, making learning a natural and enjoyable process. The more curious you are, the more you'll discover. Taking time to reflect helps you understand what you've learned and how you can apply it. After finishing a book, course, or project, pause and think about what stood out. What did you find challenging? What would you do differently next time? Reflection deepens your understanding and helps you make connections between different ideas. It's a powerful way to reinforce your learning. One of the best ways to solidify your knowledge is to teach it to someone else. Explaining concepts in your own words helps you understand them more deeply. You might write a blog post, give a presentation, or simply discuss what you've learned with friends or colleagues. Teaching not only reinforces your learning but also helps others grow. Feedback is a valuable part of the learning process. Whether it's from a mentor, peer, or even a self-assessment, feedback helps you identify areas for improvement. Don't take criticism personally, see it as a chance to grow. Being open to feedback makes you more adaptable and helps you learn more effectively. It's important to balance deep expertise in certain areas with a broad understanding of others. Dive deep into topics that matter most to you, but also explore new fields and ideas. This balance helps you connect different concepts and adapt to new situations. Lifelong learners are both specialists and generalists, always ready to learn something new. Everyone hits a plateau at some point, a stage where progress seems slow or stalled. Don't get discouraged. Try changing your approach, seeking new resources, or taking a short break. Sometimes, stepping back helps you see things from a new perspective. Remember, persistence is key. Plateaus are a normal part of the learning journey. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how small, keeps you motivated. Celebrate milestones along your learning journey, finishing a course, mastering a skill, or simply sticking to your routine. These celebrations reinforce positive habits and remind you of how far you've come. Lifelong learning is a marathon, not a sprint, so enjoy every step. Learning doesn't have to be separate from your daily routine. Look for opportunities to learn at work, during your commute, or even while doing chores. Listen to educational podcasts, read articles, or practice new skills in real-life situations. The more you integrate learning into your life, the more natural and sustainable it becomes. Keeping your learning materials and notes organized makes it easier to track your progress and revisit important concepts. Use digital tools, notebooks, or apps to keep everything in one place. Organization helps you stay focused and reduces stress, making learning more enjoyable and effective. Active learning means engaging directly with the material, taking notes, asking questions, and applying what you learn. Instead of passively consuming information, get involved. Try solving problems, doing exercises, or discussing ideas with others. Active learning helps you retain knowledge and develop critical thinking skills. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're opportunities to learn and grow. When something doesn't go as planned, reflect on what happened and how you can improve. Embracing failure builds resilience and helps you develop a deeper understanding of your subject. Motivation can fluctuate, but finding ways to stay inspired is crucial. Remind yourself why you started learning in the first place. Set rewards for reaching milestones and surround yourself with supportive people. Motivation grows when you see progress and enjoy the process. Keep your learning journey exciting and meaningful. Don't be afraid to try something completely new. Exploring different subjects and skills keeps learning exciting and broadens your horizons. You might discover a hidden talent or a new passion. Lifelong learning is about growth, so keep exploring and challenging yourself. Applying what you learn to real-life situations makes knowledge stick. Look for ways to use new skills at work, home, or in your community. Practical application deepens your understanding and shows you the value of what you're learning. The more you use your knowledge, the more confident you become. Mentors can guide you, offer advice, and share their experiences. Having someone to support your learning journey makes it easier to overcome challenges and stay motivated. Look for mentors in your field, community, or online. Their insights can help you grow faster and avoid common pitfalls. The world is constantly changing, and staying updated is essential. Follow news, trends, and developments in your areas of interest. Subscribe to newsletters, join professional groups, or attend events. Staying informed keeps your knowledge current and helps you adapt to new challenges. Everyone learns differently. Discover what works best for you, whether it's visual aids, hands-on practice, or group discussions. Personalizing your learning approach makes it more effective and enjoyable. Experiment with different methods until you find your ideal style. Time management is crucial for lifelong learning. Set aside dedicated time for study and avoid distractions. Use tools like calendars, timers, or to-do lists to stay on track. Managing your time well ensures steady progress and reduces stress. Keeping a learning journal or portfolio helps you track your progress and reflect on your achievements. Documenting your journey also motivates you to keep going and provides a record of your growth. You can look back and see how far you've come, which is incredibly rewarding. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused during learning. Take a few moments to clear your mind before studying. Practicing mindfulness reduces stress and improves concentration, making your learning sessions more productive and enjoyable. Growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone, take on challenging projects, learn difficult skills, or tackle unfamiliar subjects. Challenging yourself keeps learning exciting and helps you discover what you're truly capable of. Visualization can enhance your learning by helping you remember and understand complex ideas. Create mind maps, diagrams, or charts to organize information visually. These tools make it easier to see connections and recall details. Physical health supports mental performance. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep all contribute to better focus and memory. When your body feels good, your mind is more prepared to learn and retain new information. Distractions can derail your learning efforts. Create a quiet, comfortable space for study and turn off notifications when you need to focus. Limiting distractions helps you make the most of your learning time and absorb information more effectively. Regular review helps reinforce what you've learned and prevents forgetting. Schedule time to revisit notes, reread materials, or practice skills. Spaced repetition is a proven technique for long-term retention. Make review a regular part of your learning routine. Learning is most powerful when it's connected to your values and goals. Ask yourself how new knowledge fits into your bigger picture. When learning has a clear purpose, it becomes more meaningful and motivating. Lifelong learning is a long-term commitment. Progress can be slow at times, but patience and persistence pay off. Keep going even when it feels tough. Every step forward is a victory, and over time, your efforts will add up to significant growth. Building a network of fellow learners provides support, inspiration, and new perspectives. Attend workshops, join online communities, or participate in local events. Networking helps you stay engaged and opens doors to collaborative learning opportunities. Change is constant, and adaptability is a vital skill for lifelong learners. Be open to new methods, technologies, and ideas. When circumstances shift, adjust your learning strategies to stay on track. Flexibility ensures you keep growing no matter what life throws your way. Regular self-assessment helps you measure your progress and identify areas for improvement. Set aside time to review your goals, track your achievements, and adjust your plans as needed. Honest self-reflection keeps your learning journey on course. Look up to people who embody lifelong learning. Read about their journeys, watch interviews, or connect with them if possible. Role models can inspire you to keep going and show you what's possible when you commit to continuous growth. Gamification makes learning fun and engaging. Use apps or tools that turn learning into a game with points, badges, or challenges. This playful approach can boost motivation and make it easier to stick with your learning goals. Critical thinking is essential for effective learning. Question assumptions, analyze information, and consider different viewpoints. Developing critical thinking skills helps you make better decisions and understand complex issues more deeply. Sharing your experiences with others can inspire and motivate both you and your audience. You might start a blog, create videos, or simply talk about your journey with friends. Sharing helps you reflect, connect, and celebrate your progress. An open mind is essential for lifelong learning. Be willing to consider new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. Openness helps you grow, adapt, and make the most of every learning opportunity. Let's recap what we've covered. Lifelong learning is about curiosity, persistence, and adaptability. By setting goals, building habits, using diverse resources, and staying motivated, you can make learning a natural part of your life. Remember, the journey never ends, there's always something new to discover. Lifelong learning is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. By embracing curiosity, setting clear goals, and making learning a habit, you can unlock your full potential. The world is full of opportunities to learn, so keep exploring, stay open, and enjoy the journey. Your future self will thank you for it.